Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video here I'm going to show you how to create notifications with a custom layout. So here we have a simple notification. I issue that notification. So here we have a simple notification. Now we are going to convert this notification with the custom layouts. So here we need two layouts. First layout is for normal notification, that means notification in its collapsed form, and second layout for representing notification in its expanded form. So we have to create two separate layouts for representing a collapsed and expanded notification. So I'm going to create the first layout. I name it as custom normal. This layout represents notification in its collapsed form. I'm going to specify the root element into linear layout. So the recommended height of a layout that represents a normal notification is 64 dp. So here I'm going to convert the height of the layout into 64 dp. So now we need to add two text views for representing the notification title and content text. So here I place two text views. First text view display the notification title. Here the title is collapsed notification, and second text view display the notification content text. And here you can see here I apply some style for the text views. For the notification title, here I apply the style text appearance dot compact notification title, and for the second text that represents the content area with the text style notification info. So this style will help us to display the notification in proper format on different Android versions. So you must use this style for the text views. So now we need to create another layout for representing notification in its expanded form. So here I'm going to create another layout. I name it as custom expanded. Here also I change this one into a linear layout. So the recommended layout height for a expanded notification is 256 dp. So here I change the height of the layout into 256 dp. Now again I need to add two text views for display the notification title and content text. Also here I'm going to display some large text. So on the expanded layout, here I place three text view. First text view display the notification title. Here the title is expanded notification. Second text view display the content text, and third text view display some large text area. So this layout represents a notification with a notification in its expanded form. So now we can apply this custom layout to our notification. So go back to main activity. So here is our notification. So there is no need of a content text and title. Remove that one. So the first step, you have to inflate the custom layout in the form of a remote views. So here I create some variables for remote views. First one is normal layout. New remote views, get package name. Now specify the layout of the source. Here it is, custom normal. Now specify the second remote views, expanded layout, new remote views, get package name, dot layout dot custom expanded. Okay, so in order to use the custom layout for the notification, second step you have to specify style for the notification. So builder dot set style, new notification compact dot, you can use this one, decorated custom view style. Now we have to specify the custom layouts. So builder dot set first we have to set the custom layout for the normal notification. That means notification in is collapsed form. So you can call this method set custom content view and pass the remote view. So here it is normal layout. Now we can set the custom layout for the notification in this expanded form. So builder dot, you have to call this method set custom big content view and pass the layout remote view. Here it is expanded layout. Okay, so now here we set custom layouts for the notification. So now we can test it. So I run the project. So now the project available on this virtual device. I run it. So now this is the custom layout for expanded notification. Here you can see the notification title is expanded notification. Now I collapse this notification. Now this is the layout that represents notification in its normal form. Here the title is collapsed notification. So this is how we use custom layout with the notifications. For getting more Android tutorial updates, please subscribe this channel now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.